Imagine you had a personal aircraft in your driveway that could get you where you needed to go fast. One that's completely electric with zero carbon emissions, small enough to land in a parking space after flying over roadblocks and traffic with ease. How would that change your life? How many lives could first responders save if they could literally fly over traffic to their destination? How would this change the way we transport life-saving supplies and shipments? At ZEVA AERO, we're building the answer to these questions.
Introducing Zero, the electric personal aircraft that will change the way we travel. This is an opportunity to invest in an emerging market that analysts predict will soar above $1.5 trillion globally by 2040. With a projected 430,000 vehicles in operation by 2040, we believe Zero will be the fastest way to get anywhere in any city. It can travel up to 50-mile distance at 160 miles an hour, flying first responders and eventually everyday citizens above traffic and construction nightmares, getting them where they need to be faster than any other form of transportation. And unlike helicopters, there's no need for a flight crew, meaning zero lag time from 911 call to touchdown on the scene.
In the past, this may have only been possible in a science fiction movie, but the tech is here now, and the demand for it is skyrocketing. Companies are already investing billions in electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft. It's clear the future of travel is aerial. We believe now is the time to invest in the electric vertical takeoff and landing, or eVTOL space, and ZEVA AERO is at the top of the game. We were awarded Tacoma's Best Tech Startup of 2021 by the Tech Tribune.
We have a working full-scale prototype and are currently performing test flights, which puts us way ahead of the pack. Our team is made up of engineers, composite specialists, artificial intelligence researchers, aerodynamists, technicians, pilots, and industrial engineers, all the experts we need to build the future of air travel. Our first goal is to put Zero in the hands of emergency services where they are needed most. Our next step is to expand to the consumer space where the potential for growth is limitless. We want to put a ZEVA in every garage by 2040.
That vision is strengthened today with your investment, which will help us get the first responders and emergency workers the aerial transportation they need to save lives while creating a greener and safer world. The future is just above us. Zero weight, zero traffic, zero emissions. Invest with ZEVA AERO today as we take off into the exciting new world of tomorrow.